Good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday, you guys. So I have Lyft turned on, you guys. I have Spark as well turned on, and I am looking at Viho if they have a route for today. But on Viho, the route for today, it has to be like few hours, like 4 hours. I'm not gonna take anything more than 4 hours because I have an appointment at 4 p.m. today. So if I take a longer route,
turn right on North Main Street.
I'm not gonna make it in time. So anyway, right now it's 7:44, you guys. 7:44, and I'm going to pick up my first person, you guys. I'm going to pick up my first person.
In 1.6 miles, turn left on East Russell Avenue.
And the person is going 7 minutes. So let's go. So you guys, I ended up canceling the person because I waited for 5 good minutes, and she didn't come outside, and I tried to call her. Her phone was not going through. So on Lyft, they only give you 5 minutes to wait, and you decide if you want to wait longer or if you want to cancel it. So I ended up canceling.
In a mile, turn left on East Russell Avenue.
And 29 cents. So right now I'm going to pick up my second person, $5, and the person is going 5 minutes. So let's go. You guys, I just received another person, $15, and I'm taking her 25 minutes away. 25 minutes for $15. Let's go. Okay, so they ended up canceling the person, so I don't know what happened, but it's canceled right now. So right now we have to wait for another offer. I just received another person, and $7, and she's going 7 minutes away. So let's go. Yeah, it's been a hassle. So in the morning around 9ish, you guys, I went back home because I was super hungry. I don't know what it was, but I was super hungry. And on the road it was too slow. On the Lyft it was too slow. And on Spark I wasn't getting anything. So I was like, you know what? Let me go home and eat breakfast because I'm hungry. So I came back around 10. I did some Lyft, and they took me in Greensboro, guys. And in Greensboro, I stayed there like almost like 2 hours, and I only got 2 offers. I only took 2 people, you guys. And I was like, you know what? Let me go back to my city. Let me go back because it's not working here. I thought Greensboro is it's the busiest city over here, but not today. So right now I'm back in my city. So I'm about to only do Lyft in High Point. Only do Lyft in High Point. If they try to send me somewhere else, I'm not going. I'm gonna stay in High Point, do Lyft, and do Spark as well. So right now I'm on my way going to Walmart so I can wait for Spark and Lyft. So let's do that. Remind me, you guys, I am not going outside of High Point. I don't care how much they're gonna give me, but I'm not going back because I just wasted my time when going over there, you know. And the person that I took in Greensboro was $15, you guys, for 25 minutes. So right now I said minute. I talk about more about minutes because that's what we see, you know. That's what I'm used to see on the app. Minutes. I don't look at miles anymore. I see minutes. I look at minutes. How many minutes do I have to take this person? So every platform I think is different. Every platform, you guys, it's a different saying. You know, I don't know how to say that, but I hope you guys understand me. So right now it's 12:49, y'all. 12:49, and I only have few more hours to work, like 3 hours to work, and it's going to be the end of my shift. So I hope I get I hope I get Spark so it can boost me up because I'm on $78, you guys. Only $78, and I have took 10 people. 10 people for $78. Doesn't sound right here. It doesn't sound right. You guys, let me tell you what I don't like about doing Lyft. Number one thing I hate about doing Lyft is when it comes to my gas, you guys. Gas be going so freaking fast. This thing pissed me off. I take like 5 people. I'm on $50. Why my gas is already down? Why my gas is already on the second line, whatever. I have an order, let me see. It's $18 for 32 minutes. I'm not doing that. No, I'm not doing that. Going back in Greensboro, I am not doing that. $18 for 32 minutes. No, thank you. I'm going to stay in High Point. I am going to stay in High Point. That way I can have a chance to spark. Because if I go in Greensboro, I don't want to spark over there because I'm not familiar with that area, you know. I love sparking where I am so familiar with the area. So that's why I'm not going Greensboro. I hope I get shopping orders. Okay, you guys, so I just received a person right now. It's I don't know, it's not showing because I'm recording, but it's 12 something. So $8. It's $8 for I'm going to drop her for 12 minutes.
In 400 feet,
So
turn right on North Main Street.
So I'm going to pick her up 3 minutes, only 3 minutes, and she's going 12 minutes. So fantastic. Yo, it's one for, I had this even order. Yo, it seems like on Spark today is not sparking, y'all. The only app that's keeping me going, it's Lyft, you guys. It's Lyft. I've been sitting here on Walmart. It's about to be like 40 minutes, but nothing is coming in. So thank God I have Lyft, y'all. Thank God I have Lyft because it's keeping me busy right now. Oh, I received an order on Lyft. Let me go check. Okay, $8, you guys, and the person I'm taking the person 7 minutes. 7 minutes. So, and I'm going to pick him up 5 minutes. So let me go pick him up, and yeah, I'll see you guys after this drop off. Okay, seems like Lyft is slowed down as well because I was getting offers back to back. Before I drop a customer, boom, I have another one. Before I drop a customer, boom, I have another one. So it's been 10 minutes parking over here waiting for an offer. So it's slowed down, you guys, and I can't wait to reach 100. I have been working since the morning, yo, and I haven't reached $100. Oh, but I'm only missing $5 to reach 100, and right now it's 144. So not bad. It's just that I only have like 2 more hours to work, and I'm gonna take that short break, and I think I'm coming back. I think I'm coming back around 6, if it's not 5 something. 6, yeah, 6 p.m. I should be coming back. Yep. All right, you guys, finally I received a Lyft. Oh, it's been a minute. It's been like 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. It's not usual. 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to pick the person. It's $6. I'm going to pick up the person 3 minutes, and the person is going 4 minutes. And let's go. Let's go. It's too hot today, y'all. It's too hot. Just received another offer on Lyft. The person is going 5 minutes, and it's $6. And right now it's $2.12. You guys, I just got another offer, you guys, $6, and she's going only 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So I'm going to pick her up like 2 minutes. So yeah, and I think this is gonna be my last one for now. I don't know what's gonna happen later on, but for now it's going to be my last one. Right now it's 2:46, so I'm gonna head home and get ready and everything. And if I add this $6 to my total, I'm going to have one
In 500 feet, turn.
You guys, I'm taking a walk, and I'm just coming here to end my video, because I think in my last clip I said that I was going back at work, but I didn't, you guys. I didn't. Right now it's around 8. The place that I went, it took so long, and I came back so late, so I couldn't go back to work. But guess what? Tomorrow it's another day, y'all. Tomorrow it's another day. So I'm taking my evening walk. And you guys, I am 20 pounds down, y'all. I am 20 pounds down. And I'm so thankful. I'm so happy. And you guys, so in today's video, we end up only using one app, only Lyft. And I made 118 on Lyft, 118. And I didn't get nothing on Spark. So we only used one app. So you guys, tomorrow it's another day. I just came here to end my video because I didn't end it. So if you enjoy this kind of content, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.